Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the edge of an enchanted forest, lived a curious and kind-hearted girl named Nabira. She loved exploring nature's mysteries and often dreamed of adventures beyond her village. One sunny morning, Nabira decided to venture into the enchanted forest. As she walked through the lush greenery, she marveled at the vibrant flowers and the melodious songs of the birds. But suddenly, she heard a faint cry for help. Following the sound, she discovered a tiny injured squirrel trapped under a fallen branch. Without hesitation, Nabira gently lifted the branch and carefully tended to the squirrel's wounds. The grateful squirrel, now able to move again, looked up at Nabira with sparkling eyes and squeaked, "Thank you, kind girl. You have saved me. In return, I will show you the way to the hidden treasure of the forest." Intrigued, Nabira followed the squirrel deeper into the forest. They crossed bubbling brooks, climbed steep hills, and finally arrived at a magnificent tree standing tall in a beautiful clearing. The squirrel pointed to the base of the tree and said, "Dig here, Nabira, and you will find the treasure." Nabira dug into the soil and soon uncovered a small, ornate chest. But when she opened it, there were no gold coins, no sparkling jewels, only an ancient book filled with the wisdom of the forest. The squirrel explained, "This book contains the secrets of nature and the ways to live in harmony with it. The true treasure is the knowledge and kindness you can share with others." With a heart full of gratitude, Nabira returned to her village. She shared the wisdom she had gained, teaching everyone how to live in harmony with nature. The villagers learned to care for the environment and for each other, bringing prosperity and happiness to their home. Morale of the story: true treasure lies not in material wealth, but in the knowledge and kindness we share. Acts of compassion and understanding can lead to a better world for everyone.